Hello there! You know, sometimes your computer can be a pain. All you're trying to do is send photos of your grandbabies to friends or family, but your computer isn't cooperating. It's frustrating. IQ Computer Services is here for you when things go wrong, specializing in a wide range of computer support services to solve your problems. The most requested services include laptop screen repair, computer virus removal, fixing Windows errors, and upgrading Apple MacBook and iMacs. Location is minutes away from DC and Arlington, located close to the corner of North Van Dorn Street and Kenmore Avenue in Alexandria, Virginia. Please call before you drop in with your computer for the team to check. Ask any questions you want. The team is very open to answering them. With years of experience, they deliver expert help with your tech gadgets. Web design and promotional creative videos for your current website, just like this one you're watching now, are available. Want to learn more? Call 703-594-7271 right now to set up an appointment. Or open the chat box below and say hey to a real-life tech.